Hi guys, and in this section we're going to start learning Hebrew question words. So in front of you, you're going to see the full list of Hebrew question words. Obviously, there are some question words that I did not add here, and those are the question words that we're using together with prepositions, and also the question word which, because we still don't have the vocabulary to use the question word which. Nevertheless, ma is what, mi is who, lama is why, efo is where, matai is when, ech is how, kama is how much or how many, le'an is to where, to which direction, me'efo is from where. So I suggest you write those question words down, and we're going to practice with each one of them separately. So that's it for this lecture, and I'm going to see you in the next one when we're going to start practicing each one of the question words.